Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Camry's maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, look at your instrument cluster and make sure the odometer reading is displayed. If you see something else, simply press the ODO/trip button until the odometer appears. This sets up the display for the next steps. Now, turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold down the ODO/trip button. Keep holding this button firmly. While still holding the ODO/trip button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. This action prepares your Camry's system to enter the maintenance light reset sequence. Keep holding the ODO/trip button for approximately 10 seconds. You will notice the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to flash. This flashing indicates the system is resetting. Once the light stops flashing and disappears from the display, you can release the ODO/trip button. This confirms that the maintenance reminder has been successfully cleared. Finally, start your engine to ensure the maintenance light stays off. If the light comes back on, simply repeat these steps carefully from the beginning. Remember, this light is a reminder for scheduled service, so keeping up with your vehicle's regular maintenance is crucial. This simple procedure helps you manage your Camry's service reminders effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.